In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel to your Google Business profile in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to integrate your online presence and make your business more accessible to customers searching for you online. First, open your browser and navigate to business.google.com. This is where all the magic happens for managing your Google Business profile. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in button located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Gmail account or whichever email you use for your business. If you're already logged in, you'll be automatically directed to your business dashboard, which saves you a few extra clicks. However, if you find that you're not automatically directed, you can also go to Google search and type either your business name or simply my business to reach the same spot. Now, once you're on your business page, you'll want to locate the edit profile icon on the left side of the page and give it a click. This action allows you to modify various aspects of your business profile, which is crucial for maintaining an up-to-date digital presence. Next, under the business information section, scroll until you see the contacts portion. Here comes the important part. Scroll further until you find the social profiles section. This is where you can link different social media accounts to your business profile. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for and select YouTube. This step ensures that your channel gets added to the profile, making it easily visible to anyone who views your business on Google. In the text box that appears next to the drop-down, go ahead and enter the URL of your YouTube channel. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any potential errors. When you're satisfied everything looks good, the final step is to click Save. This action will update your Google Business profile with the information you've provided. It's a simple yet effective way to bring more attention to your content and reach a wider audience, engaging them through both visual and textual mediums. To wrap it up, by following these easy steps, you've successfully linked your YouTube channel to your Google Business profile. It not only enhances your online visibility, but also connects your audience across different platforms effortlessly. Keeping your digital footprint updated is essential in today's business environment, and you're now perfectly set to leverage the benefits of an integrated online presence. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more quick and helpful tutorials.